Tired of spam clogging your Namecheap inbox? Learn how to enable Jellyfish spam protection in under 5 minutes and stop phishing emails for good. I know exactly how frustrating it is. You open your email expecting an important message, and instead you are buried under a mountain of junk. Offers you never signed up for, phishing attempts that look almost real. It is enough to make you want to give up on that inbox entirely. But here is the good news. You do not have to live like that. I am going to walk you through the exact steps to add real anti-spam protection to your Namecheap account. Let us start at the Namecheap homepage. So head over to Namecheap.com. This is where everything begins, and honestly, it is the same dashboard I use every time I need to manage my email security. Once the page loads, you will see the main navigation bar near the top. Take a second to let it all load. There is a lot going on there, but we are looking for something specific. Now, click on the Email section in that top menu. This will open up a drop-down with a few different options. You will see things like private email and email hosting, but what we want is right underneath all of that. Scroll down just a little bit until you find the link for Anti-Spam Protection. Click that. This takes you to the main security page, where Namecheap lists out all the tools they offer to keep your inbox clean. And let me tell you, in my experience testing different providers, this is the add-on that actually makes a difference. On this page, you are going to see a few different options, but the one that really does the heavy lifting is Jellyfish Spam Protection. Go ahead and click on that. Jellyfish is a serious piece of technology. It uses advanced filtering to catch threats before they ever reach your inbox. It is not just blocking obvious spam. It is identifying those sneaky phishing emails that look like they came from your bank or a service you use. That is the stuff that keeps me up at night, and this tool handles it automatically. Before you commit, take a look at the section labeled Why Trust Jellyfish. Click on that. It will give you a breakdown of how the system works and what makes it different from basic filters. I always recommend reading this part. It helps you understand exactly what you are paying for. You will see details about their real-time threat detection and how they keep your data safe. It is good stuff. Once you're ready to move forward, scroll down and click the button that says Go to Private Email. This will take you straight to the purchase flow. From here, you can select your domain and choose the plan that fits your needs. The setup process is quick, usually just a few clicks, and you are done. And that is it. In just a couple of minutes, you have gone from an inbox that felt like a digital dumpster fire to a clean, secure space where you can actually find the messages that matter. No more digging through junk, no more worrying about clicking a dangerous link by accident. Just your email, working the way it should.